welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to the family. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. I really love you. Without any hesitation, let's get right into today's video. With the title of the video, you can already see that I'm going to be doing something very colorful. So now I actually don't know what I'm going to do now. So I'm just going to look into my palette and bring out colors. So I'm just gonna merge colors. It's going to be something very colorful. I'm going to call it color pop because, you know, I'm just going with the vibe. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. Okay, now guys, I'm done with my brows. I'm actually just putting my concealer on my eyelid as my base. I'm trying to blend properly to get a very smooth base. Okay guys, I'm done. Now I'm just using a very light brown as my transition shade. Something really light, not so light, but you can see that it's there. Something light as my transition shade. Okay, now we're done. And we are just going to move on to cutting our crease. I'm doing like a full cut crease type of thing, so that's what I'm doing, trying to cut my crease. If you notice, I first try to actually bring out the shape before I start moving my eyeshadow base to every part. I just try to get my perfect shape first. Do not forget, blending is a key thing when it comes to makeup, so I'm just blending my eyeshadow base properly to get a smooth base. Okay, the colors I'm going to be using are pink, yellow, blue, and green. Anyway, the green comes before the blue, whichever way. So now I'm just packing the pink to the corner of my eye because that's where I want it to be. Alright guys, I'm really packing the pink because I want it to be very bright. I want the colors I'll use to be very bright and pigmented. Now I'm on to yellow because that's the color. I don't know, I just saw it and I felt like it might go. So the thing with eyeshadow, you can notice that I'm actually tapping. I'm not dragging. The only dragging I'm doing here is just blending the yellow into the pink, taking the pink again and blending into the yellow. Now we are on to green. I was scared. I was scared about this green, but it didn't look bad, you know. I'm tapping it in. Do not forget, blending is key. Always try to blend the color you're using into the previous color and blend the previous color back into the color you're using now. Okay guys, now I'm going in with blue. These colors were just coming with the vibe, honestly, and I really love what it's giving me. Yeah, I'm using blue for the end because it's like the darkest shade I used, so I felt like it would be nice to be at the end. I'm blending into each other, green into blue, blue into green. So now we're just going to do the other eyes, and yeah, we'll be back. And yeah, we're done. Now I'm just cleaning the excesses, like trying to make the place neat, blending in what I used, my concealer. At this point, after this, I actually didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I should use glitter or eyeliner to line my eyes, or I should just leave it like that. So I just felt, okay, let me try the eyeliner. Honestly, it came out so bomb. You actually have to be careful if you're going to be using a liquid eyeliner, because you could easily just mess it up. I actually kind of like the way that brown shade I used as my transition shade is just up there, you know, giving me that natural kind of not plain look. Now I'm just dragging my eyeliner down to form like a little wing, but then just join it, as you can see. Yeah, I'm done with the line. So I'm just doing my under eye now, giving a dark under eye. And I'm cleaning the excesses. I always like to clean everything because I don't like extra colors or, you know, anything smudging or leaking down my eyes. Okay, now I'm blending. I really love the eye look. The vibe I was going for, the color pop really came out mad. So now I'm onto my skin work. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like to see my foundation routine. And yeah, for the lips, I'm going to be doing something very plain, just lip gloss. Let me know if you also like to see how I line my lips, how I do my lips, you know. Now the finishing touch, lashes. Alright guys, well, I've come to the end of this video. As you can see, it's truly color pop because I just really went with the vibe and I went with what I was feeling. So I was just looking at my palette and different colors just inspired this look. I really love it. I really love it. At first I was really skeptical about the eyeliner around the colors, but trust it came out good because what I'm looking like now, don't try me, I'll be looking like the rainbow. Okay, I'm sure you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still gonna do a little bit of modeling for you guys because with the bangle earrings, don't joke with me. I'm still gonna do a little bit of modeling for you guys, but we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment about what you feel about this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.